Some of you people probably think I drink coffee every day because I have a lot of energy. But actually, I don't drink any coffee. I just like to have a cup sometimes because it looks cool because I feel more mature. But this energy is all natural. That's why you should have optimism and have fun in life. So let's check out this problem. Video number 7, comparing unit rates. First of all, when we think about unit rates, it's got U-N-I. Uni, like unicycle. Or if you have a lot of hair right here, a unibrow, which always looks real cute. Uni just means per one thing. So right now, if I read this problem, it's really hard to compare Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. Let's read. Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts are in a price competition over coffee. That means that they're both selling coffee and they want to have a cheaper price. Starbucks sells 24 ounces of coffee for $4.08. Dunkin' Donuts sells 16-ounce cups for $2.40. If you read that really quickly, you might just think that Dunkin' Donuts is cheaper because it's $2.40 compared to $4.08. However, for $4.08, you're getting more coffee. You're getting 24 ounces compared to 16. So it's kind of hard to compare them because we're having different amounts in each deal. What we want to do, that's where it comes back to this word uni or unit rate, is find it per 1 ounce. Remember, a unit rate always has a denominator of 1. That's going to help us figure out if we should go to Starbucks for our coffee or Dunkin' Donuts. Or if we just go there and get a donut or a little coffee cake, because I don't like coffee. So let's check this out. The way we always do unit rates is by finding with division, The way we always do unit rates is by doing division. We're taking the total, whether it's the price, whether it's the distance, and we're dividing it by how many hours or how many things we're getting for that price. So let's check out Starbucks. I want to be careful and label this so I can actually compare my two different places. So here is S for Starbucks. Starbucks sells 24 ounces for $4.08. So I'm going to make 408 because that's my total price. And for $4.08, I'm getting 24 ounces. So I'm going to divide this by 24 because I want to figure out my cost per 1 ounce. Now, the first thing I want to do, I don't want to be lazy. I want to list my multiples of 24 with a 2-digit divisor that makes our life a little bit more challenging. But I know with grit and determination, we can figure it out. So here's 24. The next one, 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 48. When I add 24, I know 4 plus 8 is 2. Regroup the 1, 2 and 4 and 1 is 72. And then I know my 24s because I'm a math teacher and I practice this a ton. So I want you guys to copy these down. But normally when you do this, you should be really taking your time to either add or multiply each different multiple as you go. Okay, so this one's going to be 120. The next one's going to be 144 because 20 and 24 is 144. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 168. The next one, 8 and 4 is 12. Regroup the ones. This is going to be 192. The next one's going to be 6, 2, 16. And the last one, I know I'm correct because if I do 24 plus 16, it's going to get me to 240. Okay? I'm going to stop there. You always want to do your multiples up to times 10. So I'm looking at these and I'm thinking, okay, I need to take 24 away from 4. Well, 4 is too small. It's going to be below 24. So now I'm going to look at 40. How many 24s are in 40? 48 is too large, so that's just going to be 1. Notice how I'm carefully putting my 1 above the... That was scary. Notice how I'm carefully putting my 1 above the tens place. That's because this was too small for $1, but I can split up 40 this way. So I'm going to put a 0 here and then a decimal here. So now I know that 24 times 10 cents is going to make $2.40. Really, really careful that my decimals are lined up. 24 times 1, I subtract. I know that 0 take away 4, I need to go to my friend and change that 4 to a 3. change that 0 to a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1, and I'm going to keep that decimal. Now I'm going to bring down the 8 because I have to bring down one digit every time. I'm feeling good because I literally see 168 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is going to be 1, 7. This is why it's important to know that this is 17 cents. It would be weird if I was like, oh, it costs $17 per ounce. That wouldn't make any sense because it only costs $4 for all 24 of them. So the most important part now is to write this as a unit rate. This means that at Starbucks, because Starbucks is 24 for 408, it's going to be 17 cents per 1 ounce. O-U-N-C-E. So I'm going to write 17 cents, put a 0 here because there's no in the ones place, for 1 ounce. Now, I want to see if Dunkin' Donuts is cheaper. So now I'm going to compare Dunkin' Donuts. So I'm going to come on this side. Right, if I'm a coffee consumer, meaning I drink a lot of coffee, I want to know which place is cheaper. If I think they taste similar, I want to find the one that's going to save me money because everybody loves to save some money. So if I come over here and put DD for Dunkin' Donuts, this one is 16 ounces for $2.40. So I'm going to put 16, that's my divisor, and I'm dividing my total, which is $2.40. Just like before, I'm going to list my multiples of 16. So I have 16. I know double 16 is 32. My next is going to be 48. Then I'm going to have 64 because that's just double 32. You can find some cool patterns this way. This one's going to be 80. Next one's going to be 96. When I add 16 again, I'm going to get 112. If I add 16 again, I'm going to get 128. If I add 16 again, it's getting a little tight, but I'm going to get 144. Oof. Okay, so let's check this out. 2 is not enough to give to 16 ounces, so I now have to look at 24. But this is 24 tenths. So what I want to do when I'm doing my division, I'm going to put a 0 here in the ones place because 2 is not enough to give to 16 ounces. Here's my decimal. Now I'm splitting up 24. That's going to be 1. 16 times 1 is 16. 24 take away 16. Something that I love to do is count up. So I'm at 16 and I go 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. The difference is 8. So this is going to be 8 right here. You could also think this is 2 8s, this is 3 8s, so the difference is 1 8. Now I'm going to bring down my 0. 16 times what is 80? If I look at my list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be 0.15. So let's write our Dunkin' Donuts down here. That means that my Dunkin' Donuts is going to cost me $0.15 per 1 ounce. That's the unit rate for Dunkin' Donuts. So when I look at those two amounts, they're pretty similar. But if you're someone that buys a lot of coffee, those 2-cent difference is going to make a big difference over every single day you buy and buy coffee. So we know that Dunkin' Donuts costs 15 cents per ounce and Starbucks costs 17 cents per ounce. We want to know, where should I go? Which one's cheaper? We should go to Dunkin' Donuts because they are cheaper by 2 cents per ounce than Starbucks. Cool little trivia. If I was to buy 10 ounces, 10 times 2 is 20 cents. So every day, I'm saving 20 cents by going to Dunkin' Donuts. In a week, so 5 days, if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that's $1. So every day, every week, you're going to be saving money because you know how to do unit rates. This is an awesome way for you to save money in your future. So make sure you really be careful with these videos and rock it out.